Hello, hello, Media.Exchange. This is Mon Confiado and I'm ready to play Rule of Thirds. Three words. Mayaman, metrosexual, scar. Well, aircon, water, shade. You have to see the action scenes. Kailangan nyo ring makita ang drama dito sa Totoy Bato dahil hindi lang siya action. Kailangan nyo makita the cast, yung powerhouse cast. Please watch Totoy Bato on May 5 here on TV5, 7:15 p.m. Kita-kita tayong lahat. Hello, hello, Media.Exchange, and this is Mon Confiado, and that's it.